Hello! I'm gonna be doing some multiplayer gaming in Sons of the Forest, as you can see right there. So anyways, let's just get right into it. I'm just gonna join a random lobby. I don't wanna leak, you know, the lobby name and stuff, so I'll just join a random one and I'll be back soon as I get into one. Alright, bye. Alright guys, I just joined a random one just right now. Here we go. And also one more thing, please support me by subscribing. Yay. I mean, don't have to if you don't want to. But at least leave a like so I know that you're there. I'm gonna skip this. Alright, I see where we're at there. I'm gonna spend 3 minutes in each lobby. I'm only gonna do 3 lobbies. Our time has been started. Alright, we're already 1 minute in. He's probably looking at the cutscene. Nope, he's not looking at the cutscene. Alright, let's see what they have to offer right now. That's actually kind of far. Well, I already did the helicopter leaving no loot. Alright, should we check out the main one? Let's check it out, let's check it out. You got the radio here. Oh, let's go ahead and check it out. And not that big of a deal. Only needed like 1 cave from the house. Okay, I'm gonna go talk to some. Alright, here we go. Hello? Can you talk in chat if you can hear me right now? I think this one's AFK. Yeah, this one's AFK. That's crazy. Alright, let's go down, let's go down. Alright, we're already 3 minutes in. I'm gonna show the map real quick. Let me go to you. One more time. Let's see. Again, they got Virginia, Kelvin's still alive. Everything's good. Day 23, that's the time, and that's whenever we're gonna leave right now. Alright. Next one. Alright, I found a good one. I hope it's good. Let's see. Oh, come on, just load. They must have some stuff in there. Alright, we're here. Dang, yes. Skip. Alright, here we go. Oh Lord, they been working a lot. Oh. Hello, can you hear me?
Hey, how goes it?
Good. You want to know something?
What?
You're in a YouTube video right now.
I'm a YouTube video right now?
Yeah, you're on a YouTube video.
Really?
Yes. No joke.
Doing?
I don't know. Oh, but all I'm doing right now is like I'm joining random lobbies and checking out what they have in their lobbies.
Oh.
They only have a time limit of 3 minutes. I have 1 minute left.
Nice.
I think I'm gonna add like 1 extra minute.
Very cool. You should get your radio out.
Okay.
There you go.
The place looks nice. Very nice indeed. How much time have you put into this lobby?
I don't know. About a week.
That's a lot.
I was a lot further along, but some guys came in and blew everything up.
Oh.
To start over.
I can tell you my channel name.
What is it?
It's I'm gonna release this video. I think like I don't know after I visit one more lobby. And after the editing on the channel's name is I'm pretty sure it's Hit Kid. And this is my first video, by the way.
Nice.
I can already see how big this is gonna be. But sadly, the 4 minutes have passed, so I'll have to go.
Okay.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
Save real quick. I might come back after a bit.
Okay.
Alright guys, I'm getting stupid. Goodbye, I'm leaving now.
Bye.
Alright guys, I found another one. Here we go. Come on. Nah, I really hope my mic works right now. Alright, this looks promising. Alright, let's skip so we need more time. also one more thing I forgot to say this at the start. If they have mics, 1 extra minute. And if it's good, still. Do y'all got mics? Hello? Can you speak on the walkie-talkie if y'all got mics? Or in chat. Hello? Alright. Do you want to know something? Oh, they did. This is gonna be an interesting time. A very non-interesting time it is right now. I've got 20 more seconds this one. I don't know why. I just feel like it. Alright, see. Damn! Our base is huge, I guess. That's nice. Do you want to know? Do you want to know something? You're in a YouTube video right now. Okay. Oh, what I'm doing right now is going into random lobbies, and this is the last lobby out of 3. That's what I'm doing for my YouTube vid. Well, I don't got that much time left. How big is your base, by the way? My YouTube channel, I haven't posted any videos yet. This is my first one. It is Hit Kid. I'm pretty sure. Yes. If my voice sounds weird, it's a broken thing with my mic. If I sound like a kid. But yeah. Oh, I'm gonna. Yeah. Can you also subscribe real quick? Thanks. Thanks, man, a lot. My time's about to be up. It was nice. It was nice visiting. It was nice visiting. Yeah. All right. Bye. I might come back to you in the future. All right. Goodbye. Alright guys, that was the last one. And like they did, just subscribe. Subscribe! The end, yippee! So that's lobby was pretty fire.